अपने बच्चों को उनकी अंतरात्मा से एकलय होना सिखाएं। फिर उनकी अंतरात्मा ही उनको स्पष्टता, संतुलन, स्वास्थ्य और सकारात्मकता से भर देगी। फिर वे अपने जीवन में स्वतंत्र रूप से सही निर्णय ले पाएंगे।
हम लोग अपने बच्चों को कितनी चीज सिखाते हैं, ऐसे करो, वो करो, ये मत करो, ऐसे करो, राइट। और कई बार हमारे ओन कंडीशनिंग के अनुसार हम उन्हें कंडीशन कर देते हैं, या हमारी कोई लिमिटेड सोच के अनुसार हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, ये ऐसा बने, ये ऐसा सही है, तो ये करना ही तो इसके लिए ठीक है। हम अपने हिसाब से उन्हें ढालना चाहते हैं। तो अपने बच्चों को उनकी अंतरात्मा से एकला होना सिखाएं। Just all we need to teach them is to align with the inner being. Teach them how to align with their own self. To teach them love, joy, meditation. Teach them what they are creative about. Because when they are in their creative zone, they become aligned with their own self. To teach them to be happy. Just be happy, be lighthearted, have fun. When they're having fun, they are aligned with their inner being. Right? So, हमारे बच्चों को उनकी अंतरात्मा से एकलय होना सिखाएं। फिर उनकी अंतरात्मा ही उनको स्पष्टता देगी। Then when they are aligned with the inner being will give them clarity. आपको उनको क्लैरिटी देने की जरूरत नहीं है। Their inner being will give them clarity. Their inner being will give them balance. संतुलन देगा उन्हें। हमें उनकी लाइफ में बैलेंस की चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है। Their inner being will give them good health. उनके अंतरम से ही उनको गाइडेंस मिलेगा। और जब अंतरम से अलाइन होंगे तो अपने आप स्वास्थ्य ठीक होगा और सकारात्मक से भर देगी। एक ऑप्टिमिज्म से, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग से, they will be fully charged with positivity, fully charged with optimism. And as an early childhood, they are always aligned with themselves. But as they become conditioned, as they go through life challenges, ups and downs, they'll start losing their alignment. As a parent, if we have find their alignment, all we need to encourage them is to find their inner alignment. And their inner alignment will guide them, will inspire them, will motivate them, will give them optimism, will give them good health, will give them clarity. And clarity is very important. With clarity, they will make the right decisions, right choices. Life is all about choices. Life is a sea between B and D. Life is a choice between birth and death. But when we don't have clarity, we tend to make wrong choices. Wrong choices, wrong consequences. Then we are in that loop. But once they have clarity, then they are clear. They know what they want. No doubt, no confusion. With full of confidence. So clarity gives them confidence. Because of clarity, they don't need to go to the loop of making mistakes, repeating that mistakes, and then delay the wisdom. जो चीज वो नॉर्मली 10 साल में कर पाते थे, शायद वो 1 साल में कर लें, 2 साल में अचीव कर लें। तो ये क्लैरिटी है, वेरी क्लियर है। सो अपने बच्चों को उनकी अंतरात्मा से एकलय होना सिखाएं। फिर उनकी अंतरात्मा ही उनको स्पष्टता, संतुलन, स्वास्थ्य और सकारात्मक से भर देगी। फिर वे अपने जीवन में स्वतंत्र रूप से सही निर्णय ले पाएंगे। स्वतंत्र रूप से, not what you want, not what the society wants, not what the social structure wants them to be, not because society wants them to feel that they are fitting in the social mold. As an independent, as a consciousness, as an awareness, they will make their own choice, which is for their highest good, which is for the highest growth, which will propel the evolution of their consciousness. Their own talents, their own creativity will come alive. To align them with their purpose, with their passion, with their path. So we don't need to impose what should be their path. All children, they are sovereign entities. They are independent souls. And their soul knows their path, that passion, their purpose. All we need to help them to align with their consciousness, to align with their soul, to teach them to connect with their soul. And to teach them first, we have to become the example of that alignment. They'll only listen what you practice. They listen from their eyes, not from their ears. बच्चे कानों से नहीं, आंखों से सुनते हैं, देखते हैं, वही सीखते हैं। को सिखाने के पहले आपको सीखना पड़ेगा, आपको उसका उदाहरण बनना पड़ेगा। Of your own inner alignment, of your own inner joy, inner happiness, inner calm, inner clarity, inner peace. And then when you tell them, they will learn from it. They'll take inspiration from you. That is what the family is all about. We choose soul in family, different levels of consciousness in the same family. to learn from each other, to inspire each other. कई बार मैं वर्कशॉप में देखता हूँ, children have come because they got inspired by parents change. मेरी मम्मी पहले ऐसी थी, मेरे पापा पहले ऐसे थे, पर ध्यान में आने के बाद, आपकी वर्कशॉप करने के बाद उनमें ये बदलाव आ गया। तो फिर हमको भी लगा कि चलो हम भी जाके अटेंड करते हैं। कहीं बच्चों को देख के पेरेंट्स आ गए, नहीं हम तो हमारे बच्चों के कारण आए कि हमने बच्चों में इतना बदलाव देखा। तो इट 70 इयर्स के पेरेंट्स, 75 इयर्स के पेरेंट्स, 80 इयर्स के पेरेंट्स, दे केम फॉर द वर्कशॉप बिकॉज़ नहीं हमारे बच्चों में हमने बदलाव देखा और उनको देख के हमको लगा नहीं कुछ तो होगा, तो भी आ गए। सो वी बोथ इंस्पायर ईच अदर। So as a kids, your change will inspire your parents. As a parents, your change will inspire your children.